Greetings, amazing and lovely people. Thank you for joining me today. We are still on the road to WASSCE 2026, and let's try this question. We have been given log 5 base 10 to be x, and then we have also been given log 11 base 10 to be y. We are tasked to express log 275 base 10 in terms of x and y. What is common between the number 5 and 11? What are these numbers? Now these numbers are prime numbers. It means that we are having a bigger number, which is 275. You can express 275 as product of primes that will consist of 5 and 11 only. So I want to use prime factorization to achieve this goal. So I'll write 275 and express this as product of prime. I want to use the prime factorization method. So let's start with what two numbers multiply to give us 275. You can clearly see that the number ends with 5. So any number that ends with 5 means that the number is divisible by 5. 275 is divisible by 5. So how many 5 are in 275? That is 55. Now we have achieved one prime, but this can still be divided. You see it still ends with 5. So let's continue. How many 5 are in 55? That will give us 11. It means that 275 has been expressed as 5 times 5 times 11. We have not changed the number. We are just expressing the number as product of primes. Then how many 5s do we see? There are 2 of them. So we have 5 to the power 2 times 11. So in place of 275, we are going to write this as log base 10 of 5 to the power 2 times 11, which is the same as 275. Now, in logarithm, if I have log of a certain base a, then the argument of b times c, I can write this as log base a of b. Then the multiplication now become addition, then log base a of c. I'm going to apply that same rule here. You can clearly see we have base 10 and we have 2 arguments that are multiplying. So I'll split them up and write log base 10. What is the first argument? That is 5 to the exponent 2. Then multiplication now becomes addition of log of the same base, that is 10, and the argument will be 11. Also, if I have log base a of b to the exponent c, I can move the c in front of the log and write this as c log base a of b. Go to apply that same rule here. We have an exponent. I will move it in front of the log and have 2 log base 10 of 5 plus log base 10 of 11. Let's go back here. You can clearly see log 5 is what? X. So in place of log 5, I can write x. Then in place of log 11, I can write y. So now we have 2x plus y. So this means that log 275 of base 10 has been expressed in terms of x and y. Please, I'm begging you, subscribe to my channel. I'm out.